Hello everyone.
Welcome to my channel. Today we will be exploring Google Earth Engine for analyzing satellite imagery and creating time series charts. Specifically, we will be looking at the Normalized Difference Vegetation Index over a region of interest for several years. In this case, Chikmagaluru region. So NDVI is a useful indicator of vegetation health. So this analysis can tell how the vegetation has changed over time. Map for Chikmagaluru region from 2018 to 2024. On the left hand side you can see the legend ranging from -1 to +1, and on the console we can see the mean NDVI values between 2018 to 2024 for all the years. First we will be using Sentinel-2 satellite data from the harmonized collection on Google Earth Engine, and this data provides high resolution imagery across various bands. And we will be using Cloud Score Plus collection to identify and mask out cloudy pixels, ensuring better data quality for our analysis. And we are having region of interest Chikmagaluru in this, and time frame for our analysis is between 2018 to 2024. Now let us see the NDVI calculation and stacking. Now we will use the function calculate NDVI. So first we need to filter out Sentinel-2 images for that specific year and region of interest, and then use Cloud Score Plus data and mask out cloudy pixels based on a threshold. Later we will calculate NDVI using red and near infrared bands, and then set year property on the resulting NDVI images for easier identification in the later stages. Then finally we will use median composite of NDVI for that year, representing the average vegetation health, and will clip it to the region of interest. Then we will iterate through a list of years using a loop and apply the calculate NDVI function to each year. So this will create a collection of NDVI images and for each year in our analysis. For each year, find the color palette where low values represent bluish color of sparse vegetation and high values represent the dense vegetation or the greenish tone in this case. So then later we will loop through the list of years again and add each year's NDVI image as a separate layer to the map. We will create the time series chart which iterates through the list of years, and for each year extract the corresponding NDVI value or image, calculate the mean NDVI value within our region of interest using the spatial reducer, and create feature containing the year and the mean NDVI value. And these features will be used to create the feature collection representing the mean NDVI for each year. When we print the chart, you can see the time chart will display the mean NDVI values on the y-axis and the corresponding years on the x-axis. So this chart allows us to see trends and fluctuations in the vegetation health over the analyzed period 2018 to 2024. I hope this helps you understand the code and its potential for analyzing vegetation dynamics with Google Earth Engine. Please try it. Thanks for watching. Happy mapping!